Hey everybody, it's Andrew Moore at Hyundai of Athens, and today we're going to be taking a look at the 2016 Hyundai Veloster Turbo.
It's not just a steering wheel in this 2016 Veloster Turbo Eco at Hyundai of Athens. This Boston Red Veloster Turbo comes complete with standard steering wheel mounted audio controls, cruise control, and an integrated Bluetooth hands-free phone system with voice recognition and phone book transfer. The controls you access most are right at your fingertips, so you can get the most out of every drive. This Veloster Turbo helps keep your eyes on the road and distractions to a minimum. This 2016 Veloster Turbo Eco at Hyundai of Athens gets you started with the push of a button. Imagine seated in this cockpit with a wraparound dash console and race-inspired gauges with an easy-to-read speedometer and tachometer, and you'll love the push-button start. Access all of your information and entertainment options via Veloster's standard multimedia LCD touchscreen that measures 7 inches, featuring a rearview camera with indicators. Oh, and did we mention that's an extra cost option on Honda CR-Z? And here's an audio system that sounds great and is up to the challenge of playing along with your life. The AM/FM SiriusXM CD MP3 audio system with phone integration delivers plenty of power for your tunes and your imagination. All the tech you need and more. The 2016 Veloster Turbo Eco at Hyundai of Athens features race-inspired seats that are comfortable and colorful. Newly designed seats for this Turbo edition feature larger bolsters with turbo embossing, and those seats can be heated on cold winter days. Contrast stitching for the Turbo accent the seats, along with the headrests, door armrests, center armrest, and steering wheel. And aluminum hand grips, door and center console accent the fine styling. The 2016 Veloster Turbo Eco with style and flair.
So to schedule a test drive, come see me, Andrew Moore, at Hyundai of Athens, 4160 Atlanta Highway, Athens, Georgia, or give me a call directly here at the dealership.